Ayos. Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today is December 24 and matagal na tayong kinukulit ng aking halit na pinsan. Naigawan ko raw siya ng laruan niya for this Christmas and coming New Year. Kaya ngayon, gagawa tayo ng boga. Ngayon ko lang naharap kasi marami rin akong ginagawa. So pagbibigyan lang natin. So parang tutorial to gagawin natin pero hindi ko i-detalya kung paano kasi mahirap na pagkatularan ng mga bata. Right. Let's go. Okay. Mga materials pala na gagamitin natin is mga lata. So gagamit tayo ng 7 or 8 na lata. And plastic bottle na 7 din. Masking tape. Cutter. Butane torch. So, papakita ko mamaya kung paano. Yeah. So, itong tatlong lata na ito, bubutasan natin sila ng papalaki. Ito maliit, itong pangalawa mas malaki, and itong patlo is pinakamalaki. And then, pagdudugtugin natin sila ganyan. So, ipapakita ko mamaya. So, ito na yung magsisilbing chamber. Yung maliit na butas, tapos dinagdagan ko pa ng mas maliliit. Yan. Yung mas malaki and yung pinakamalaki. Plus, yung apat na ganito. Yung talagang butas na siya. So, next na gagawin natin ay magkakat tayo ng bote plastic para minsanan yung pagbuo natin. At ayan, nakapag-cut na tayo ng mga plastic. Ayan o. Ngayon ay pagdudugtungin na natin itong mga lata. Ganyan. Gamit ang masking tape. Ayan. So, papakita ko na lang ulit mamaya yung finished product. So, ayan guys, no. Nailagay na natin yung mga plastic. Yan, transparent. Hindi masyadong makita kasi transparent. Ito lang ang napapansin kasi kulay green. Ngayon, iinitin na natin para kumapit dito sa may lata. At ito na ang plastic na to ang magsisilbing brace itong lata natin. Nagamitan natin ng butane tsaka blowtorch.
Woke up with the weight of the world on my chest. Another day, another dream put to the test. Eyes in the mirror, tired and worn, but deep in my soul, a fire is born. I've been knocked down, left in the cold, carried the silence, carried the load, but I won't let the darkness win. I'm finding the strength within. I'm Greg Sturry, I will rise again, I will stand up tall. Though the night is long, I will not fall. said I'd never make it through, but they don't know the storms I've walked into. I've tasted failure, felt the pain, but I still believe I'm not down in vain. No silver spoon, no easy way, but I've been building every day. Dream by dream, stone by stone, I'll make that mountain my own. I'm Greg Story, I will rise again, I will stand up tall. Though the night is long, I will not fall. Every scar I bear, every tear I've shed is a step I take on the road ahead. I will rise again.
So yan, hit na natin. Init natin para mismo kumapit yung plastic dito sa may mga dugtungan. Kalay kulang pa ng dalawa. So titignan ko lang kung may pakuha ko mamaya. And then yung ilalagay natin dito, ito. Papainitan din natin.
And when the world turns its back on me, I'll still be standing wild and free. 'Cause failure's just a lesson learned, and every setback fuels the burn. I will rise again, I will own the light through the darkest storm. I'll claim my right to dream, to try, to start again, to chase the sky, to break the chain. I will rise again, I will find my flame, and when I do, I'll rise with no shame. 'Cause I thought I've lost, but I've always been the one who dares to rise again.
Ayan. So ang kulang na lang is yung igniter. So wala pa akong nakitang cricket ng lighter, so hahanap pa tayo. Basta importante, napakita ko kung paano to gawin. Ayan. Alam nyo naman na siguro kung ano to. Bale, parang nagbabalik tayo sa pagkabata, no? Ito kasi is request nung pinsan kong grade school. Grade 6 na pinsan ko. So, gagawan ko siya. Yan. Dito i-spray yung pan mamaya. Kung may mabili silang pang-spray. Yan. Ito na ang finished product. So wala pa yung kon dito, oh. Yung igniter niya dyan. Tapos yung loob. Yun yung kanyang loob. Yan. Then guys, susubukan na natin for the first time. Ito na yung igniter niya, oh. Yan. Yan. Ito na yung kanyang acetone.
Acetone ni Kuya.
Sprayan lang natin 5. Testing. Magkalugin ng konti. So,
Bakpal.
Hindi mo kwan.
Para kaming kuya.
Late ma. Igniter na. Isa ko dyan na.
Di ba alam mo kaya?
Talo lang nga yan.
Sige.
Last.
Last.
Talo lang spray.
1, 2, 3.
Ayos. Oh, sa'yo na. Alright.
Chicken may kuya.
May laro na yung mga bata. Let's go. So yun, na-testing na natin. And so far, ayos naman. At least may paputok yung mga bata ngayong Pasko at darating na bagong taon. Yun, pumuputok na sila. So hanggang dito lang guys. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Babush!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.